Have more news coming in. Heads roll in the Muda scam in Karnataka with the government now suspending the commissioner of Muda. Muda face-off in Karnataka only heating up further. Dinesh Kumar has been suspended for role as the Muda commissioner is what we know. This controversy has been brewing in the state of Karnataka. Remember, previously the governor had given a sanction to also prosecute the chief minister. And now there is action that has been taken against the commissioner of Muda. Heads rolling over the scam in Karnataka with the government of Karnataka led by the Congress suspending the Muda commissioner here, with the governor also giving a sanction to prosecute the chief minister. But there's been action that has been taken against the commissioner of Muda. The face-off between the government and the governor. The governor's house essentially continues over Muda. The Muda scam. Anaga is getting in more details on that story. Anaga, just take us to what exactly is the reason behind the action, the disciplinary action that has been taken against the commissioner of Muda, and what is the Karnataka government now saying?
Well, Sneha, at the point when hearing is going on in the High Court, the government has now decided to suspend, the former Muda commissioner, Mr. Dinesh Kumar. This comes, the backdrop of lapses in duty is what we are hearing. And when the court hearing is going on, the government has decided to, to take action against the officers who are directly or indirectly responsible for the alleged scandal that we're talking about, the Muda scandal. However, the government has maintained that the chief minister is innocent, that there were no lapses in procedure or in duty, and that everything was done legally. But the BJP at this point is demanding for severe action and for the chief minister's resignation as well. Even the governor also at this point had earlier granted permission for investigation. So keeping all this in mind, the government, now has decided to take action against the officers who could have been responsible for the alleged scandal. And at this backdrop, Dinesh Kumar, the former Muda commissioner, has been suspended.
Right. Anaga, I'm going to thank you for the moment for getting us up to speed with those details. Dinesh Kumar has been suspended.